Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Bhutt. I hope you all are good. Okay. So today I am discuss with you what is the column chromatography technique. Okay, guys. So this technique we are use separation and purification of component into a mixture sample with help of the column called as a column chromatography technique. Okay. In this technique we are used by tube-like a structure of column and two main phase. First is a stationary phase as a solid and second is a mobile phase as a liquid. Okay. So stationary phase decided with help of the sample on the basis of their size, charge and polarity. Okay. Mostly we are used by silica and aluminum both to mostly as a stationary phase into this technique. Okay. And this technique we are performed by manually as a wet method because this technique divided by two main method. First is a dry and second is a wet. So dry method of column chromatography we are directly add by powder form of the silica means our stationary phase and then mobile phase. So better than wet column chromatography, we are mixed to be our stationary phase and solvent solution between each other, and then they are separated during purification process. Okay, so they are move fastest than another technique. Okay, so look at this, guys. This is our tube-like structure of column. Okay, so in this column, firstly we are applied cotton in bottom of column. This is our column applied by proper amount of column into this bottom of. Okay, then add by sand. This is our sand. Okay, very important to be sand or acid wash purchase with help of the market. Okay, then add by our stationary phase, just like this is our stationary phase. For example, silica, and then add by our solvent solution. Big difference between this silica and solvent solution is a two. We are selected, for example, polar form of silica. So very important to we are choose as a less polar of solvent solution because both are create bands to between each other and they move fastest than another. Okay, then add by top of the column again sand as a inert material because this inert material of the sand does not allow to enter any material into this stationary phase during purification process. Okay, so guys, we are start by this method. So this solvent solution are moved towards the stationary phase and then start by our purification process. Okay, very important into this technique does not create by bubbles and our stationary phase as a silica does not dry. Okay, because they are dry so they create by crackers. Okay, does not good for purification technique. Or then after purification we get our purified sample just like this is purified samples. Okay, that is the very important technique to mostly perform by lab. Okay, to separate it by we want to be added samples into the mixture components. Okay, we use by this mostly a popular technique as a column chromatography. Okay, so I hope you understand. So take by screenshot and thank you so much.